Hello friends, this is Himanshu Ranjan. Today I came up with the discussion about the precedents are addressed to all the students yesterday related to examination of foundation, inter and final. And he clarified that the examination should be held in December 2020 only for the examination of intermediate, final and foundation. And he also said about that the examination form, its last date is 25th October 2020 for all the foundation, inter and final students. And the presidents are also said that due to corona COVID-19 the examination should be held in following two options will be there, whether the student has to select home based options या फिर center based options. And those students who didn't want to give examination in this attempt, whether due to his health issue or any other reason, then they take opt-out scheme and their fees will be carried forward to their next attempt. And the presidents sir also said that all instructions related to examination will be sent to their student registered email and a registered mobile number. This mobile number you will get SMS related to examination instruction. And he said also that there will be no negative marking. There will be no negative marking in this examination, in December 2020 examination. This is the most important things. There will be no negative. This is the big relief for the students. And he also said that there should be at least 2 alternative questions in question paper. In the MTP visa released by the institute, there will be no alternative questions will be there. But he said that yesterday that there will be 2 alternative questions in examination paper. So it's also a big relief for the students. And presidents are also said about the final student that the online MTP will be released for final student released will be soon. And so friends, it's all discussion which I have discussed about the precedents which he has clarified yesterday related to examination. So friends, if you like my videos, then please share with your friends. And this is the most important things that he yesterday clarified about there will be no negative marking, and for the final students MTP will be released soon. So friends, if you like my lecture and this my notification related to examination of institute, then please share with your friends, and most important, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.